Now hit enter. Enter the password which you will remember. Then again enter. Now enter the system name. I'm entering Unix sys v. You can enter anything, whatever you want. Then it is asking to reboot the system. As I already told you, we have to first delete all the files. Not delete, just remove, and then again, then we have to reset. That is reboot. Reset this. Now hit the start button. Console login, enter root as a console login, and then enter password which you have already entered. Now it's asking for the new password. Then here try the command ls. Then after this you have to add some maintenance files also, but before that open the readme folder and there is one command given. Just enter that command in this console or the terminal. It's pkgadd space d space d I s k e t e 1. Just a minute. Go, enter go, then again enter go. Again do the same thing, but before that add the maintenance to file also. Here it is, maintenance to file. Sorry, maintenance one file. After this we will again add the maintenance to file. Now start, again enter go, again enter go. So the installation of our system is done successfully. So now we have to shut down the system. So enter the shutdown command, that is shut down space y space go. So this is how you can install AT&T Unix system on your virtual box. Thank you for watching the video.